How to set up your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and transfer all the data over from an iPhone. So first, press on the side button here, press and hold to turn on your device. Once your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G boots up, then we will begin. Okay, on the welcome screen, tap on the language drop down and select your language. So select a language that you want to use, then tap on OK. Next, tap on the start button. In here, tap on the agree button and then tap on agreed. Next, choose a Wi-Fi network and sign in. So put in your Wi-Fi password and then tap on the connect button. Alright, once you are connected to the Wi-Fi network, tap on next. And here's getting your phone ready. Okay, now we're going to tap on next and then tap on next. And here tap on agree and then tap on allow. And on this screen here, we want to choose iPhone or iPad. And then say get connected using a cable is fastest and lets you transfer more data. So you can use a cable or you can transfer wirelessly. If you choose transfer wirelessly, you need to download an app on your iPhone 15 or whichever iPhone that you have that you want to transfer over. So here, I will plug in the cable. So I've got USB-C cable here. So get the right cable for your device. If you have an older iPhone, you might need to use a lightning cable. Here I have USB-C, so I can plug it in. And then from here, I'll unlock my phone. Okay, so it is unlocked. And here say keep your iPhone or iPad screen on. So I'm just going to scan. So I'm going to open up the camera. And what this does is allow you to basically open up the App Store and download the Smart Switch app. Now I have already downloaded, so now I can simply just tap on open. If you haven't got the Samsung Smart Switch mobile, you will need to first install it on your iPhone. So tap on open and then tap on continued. And here it said, how do you want to share contacts? So I don't want to share contacts. So allow full access. Just tap on open again. And then tap on allow. And then allow full access. And then tap on allow. And then tap on allow. And here share all 35 contacts. Tap on continued. And then tap on let's go. Okay, so back to our device. We tap on next. And now it is connecting to our iPhone. And on your iPhone, tap on the trust button. And here I'll need to verify myself, so I'll try it again. Right, once we have verified our identity on the Samsung phone, tap on next. And now it is searching for data. So here you can see it says connected to Galaxy Note 20 5G. So go down the list here and choose what you want to transfer over. So you can transfer all. So for ease of demonstration, I will simply just select a few items. I will not transfer everything over because that can take quite a long time. Now tap on transfer. And now we are in the process of transferring data from the iPhone over to the Note 20. So here we need to put in our passcode to trust this device. Once you have put in the passcode, it is now transferring the data over. Over here it asks us to either sign into Google or we can create a new account. So this is entirely up to you. If you have Google account on your iPhone, you can use the same account. If you don't, you can tap on the create account button. Here you can choose for my personal use. And then you put in your first name, last name, and then tap on next. So tap on next. And then just follow the on-screen information to complete your setup of Google account. Okay, once you are done, we can continue on setting our phone password or PIN. Here we put in the PIN. And then I'll put in 1006 and then confirm PIN without typing, then tap on continue, and then I'll put in the same PIN and then tap on OK. Okay, in here tap on more, then tap on I agree, then tap on I agree, then tap on OK, and from here tap on next. And here is you find your lost phone. So you ask you to sign in Samsung account. Again, if you do not have an Samsung account, we can create one. Now you can also tap on the skip button if you don't want to create the account now. You can always do it later on. So tap on skip, then tap on more, tap on agreed, and here you can choose use swipe gestures or show button on home screen. So select one of the options, then tap on next, and here you can organize your phone for home and app screen or home screen only, and then tap on next. So here you can add in extra keys or type without distractions, and then tap on next. And finally you can choose between light theme or dark theme, and then tap on next, then tap on finished. And over here on the iPhone, just tap on the close button, and that's it. We have now successfully transferred the data from your iPhone over to your Note 20. After that, tap on the done button to finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.